Let the dream come true. In the beautiful city of Bishkek, the land of greenery, where there's a prestigious institute, Avicenna International Medical University. A full house with a marvelous infrastructure and beautiful fountain. The main academic building possesses with the modern scientific labs where students can benefit new multimedia methods. Moreover, there's high-tech stimulation labs designed with 3D model of human anatomy in order to improve gross approach. Avicenna is not just an institute, it's house of knowledge. High-quality training at the campus is provided by high-skilled teachers and staff. Clinical classes are organized in main campus and affiliated clinic of university. Staff and teachers communicate both in English and Russian. Every student has free access to library where they can study books of their own interests. The classrooms are well furnished and well equipped. Each classroom is broad, well ventilated and equipped with multimedia screens. We guarantee the bright future of those students who are part of our family.